What's good, everybody? I'm here to show you how to put the chain back on your bike. Whenever you hit a hump or hit a bump, whatever you hit, it'll pop off sometimes. I'm here to show you guys how to fix it. Sometimes you can fix it on the ground, position like this. But for this one, I could not fix it because there was a metal piece in the way. As you can see, that metal piece right on top of where my finger's touching right now, my left hand. So I couldn't get this chain back on because of the metal piece in the way. But I will show you guys an easier way that I had forgot, which is to flip the bike over just like this. I call it putting the bike on its back. So what you do when the bike is positioned on its back is that you put that chain, you connect it to that gear that you see. As I am doing right now, I'm putting that chain on the gear. Just put it on the gear, connect all those little spikes to the chain, and then all you do is spin the pedals and you're good to go. After that, man, it's fixed. It's back to normal. Alright, that's how you put the chain back on the bike. I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.
I'm pulling up with the battle tap plan, spitting out flames like a black dragon, a Liu Kang. I eat the beat like a food chain. Chopper got feeling like Moose Wayne, but I know I'm different like 2 Chainz. Feeling like Saturn got new rings. I'm about to dabble in bitches like a just.